Guys, welcome back. Happy New Year. I know it's been a while since I made a video, so I thought give you guys a brief update of what I've done to my 2014 S5 Prestige, which isn't much, but overall, car-wise, she's still running pretty great. I've kept up with the oil changes, doing all the filters, air filters, and for the most part, still running great. No issues thus far, but like before, I had an A5, so I know exactly what to take care of, when time comes for something to do. So, but yeah, I'm just gonna go over briefly what I've done to her, and yeah, pretty much it. So, first thing is this rear subtle spoiler. I got that off of eBay. I got it because I wanted something back there, but I didn't want it to be, excessively loud and big. Just something small, compact. And it's a color matching spoiler, although this one is slightly darker than the overall paint of the car, which is fine. It adds a little contrast to it, so I don't really mind it at all. Plus, for the price I paid for it, it was pretty much, awesome. So I'm not complaining whatsoever about that. The next thing I've done is a suspension modification. I bought a strut bar for the front of the vehicle. It's going to be kind of hard to see, but it's right behind here. It runs across the car and attaches the two strut towers together. It's by Canyon Run, and here's a picture of the bar for you right now. So yeah, so pretty much what that strut bar does is it improves the steering of the car quite substantially. When I'm taking corners at a high rate of speed, I'm able to control the car a lot better than I was before, and that's pretty impressive. The cabin's a little bit quieter, mainly because the chassis is pretty stiff in the front, so any of the plastic trims, they're not kind of rattling back and forth, so that's another improvement. And also the tire feel, it feels like the tires are more connected to the road, mainly because they're planted and they're not have any of the chassis taking away from what they actually do, which provide support for the car. So if you're curious or have been curious about the Canyon Run strut bar, I recommend it. The price isn't bad for what you get, and like I said, you get better steering and you get overall good corner feel, and just a more solid front end of the car as well. So that's that. Now, the last thing I did to this car was I got the tail lamps tinted. So I wasn't a big fan of tinted tail lights before, but I looked at someone else's car and they had a lightly tinted film on there, and this is from Lamin-X. This is their lightest tint that they have available, and I think it provides a very luxury look to the rear end of the car, because before the lights were very bright red and they just looked like super loud. So here's a before and after of what they look like. So as you can see, before they were tinted, the lights are very red, and with this tint, it just subdues the red and not make them as loud. But to see how they look turned on, I'll demonstrate for you guys real quick. So here they are with them turned on. As you can see, they are still relatively bright, and they just look like a very, very deep red, and I really love it. Especially at night, it's very luxurious looking. I know it's kind of crazy to say, but yeah, it makes the car look a lot better rear end wise. So like I said, I got those from Lamin-X. It's the lightest tint that they have available, And for the price, it's not bad. They're pre-cut, but you do still have to trim them quite a bit. So, yeah, go ahead and turn the car off. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Wheels are still looking good. Paint still looking good. Yeah, she's still a really nice car. I plan on keeping her for a while still. But if you have any questions about her or anything like that, about the Canyon Run, Strut Bar, the spoiler, or the Lamin-X, just shoot me a message below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, take care.